If you want a cleaner browsing experience in Google Chrome, hiding the tabs and address bar can help you focus better and give you more screen space. Many people use this feature while watching videos, reading articles, giving presentations, or working without distractions. The good news is that you do not need advanced computer knowledge to do this. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to hide the tabs and address bar in Google Chrome in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. Just follow along carefully, and you'll have a cleaner Chrome window in just a few minutes. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome opens, go to any website you want. The fastest and easiest method to hide both the tabs and address bar is by using full screen mode. On Windows, press the F11 key on your keyboard. The moment you press it, Chrome will switch into full screen mode. Your tabs, address bar, bookmarks bar, and most browser controls will disappear from the screen. If you are using a Mac, the process is slightly different. Move your cursor to the top left corner of the Chrome window and click the green Full Screen button. Chrome will then enter full screen mode and hide the browser interface automatically. While in full screen mode, you can still temporarily access the tabs and address bar whenever needed. Simply move your mouse cursor to the top of the screen, and Chrome may briefly show the hidden controls. This allows you to switch tabs or type another website without fully leaving full screen mode. To exit full screen mode on Windows, press the F11 key again. On Mac, move your cursor to the top of the screen and click the green button once more. Chrome will return to normal view with the tabs and address bar visible again. There is also another method if you want a more app-like experience in Chrome. You can create a website shortcut that opens without tabs and the normal browser layout. To do this, open the website you want, click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to More Tools and select Create Shortcut. After that, enable the option called Open as Window, if available, then click Create. Now when you open that shortcut from your desktop or apps list, the website may open in a cleaner standalone window without the normal Chrome tab layout. Many people use this method for YouTube, Netflix, Spotify, Google Docs, or productivity tools. If your Chrome browser does not show the same options, make sure Chrome is fully updated. Browser features can slightly change depending on the version you are using. To update Chrome, click the three dots, go to Help, then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install the latest version. Another useful tip is hiding the bookmarks bar for even more screen space. Press Ctrl-Shift-B on Windows or Command-Shift-B on Mac. This will hide or show the bookmarks bar instantly. So, that's the easiest way to hide the tabs and address bar in Google Chrome in 2026. The fastest method is using full screen mode with the F11 key or the Mac full screen button. You can also create standalone website windows for a cleaner browsing experience. These methods are simple, quick, and work well for most users. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.